Happy rainy Tuesday. It was really rainy all day today. I'm here in Missouri and we're getting lots and lots of rain. I wanted to do a real unboxing. I got a pre-loved bag. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Jennifer and thank you for sharing this time with me. So let's get started. I've looked for this bag for a while because I saw one of my patients have one and I couldn't find her exact size. So I went on Fashion File and found some that were like hers, but it's really interesting. When I find pre-loved bags, I try to find one that actually feels good. It's a really strange feeling, but there can be one that's perfect, right price and everything, but if it doesn't feel like it's supposed to be yours, I don't go for it. But so I just keep looking and looking, and I went on eBay again, which I rarely do because it's harder to navigate through the fakes and the reals. But the seller, I'll link her link below on eBay, was really forthcoming with where she bought this bag and where she bought the bag and why she was selling her, and just the way she explained everything. I felt very comfortable with purchasing her. I saved probably half the money I would have spent on a new one, and I've heard that it's kind of nice to buy pre-loved bags in this line just because they are sometimes well made. They're better made than they are now. So I'm really happy that I was able to purchase her and to find her pre-loved in the condition that she is. And let's get started. My story with trying to find this bag is that when we go on trips, I have my laptop and files and I try to catch up with work, and I use my Neverfull. It's in the GM size, really heavy. I have the bag organizer. I showed you guys in the work bag video how I organize the Neverfull. Well, we're on a trip, it gets really heavy. So I've been putting my laptop in my husband's backpack in the airport. I'm thinking if this works out well, I can use this for my travel. So when we go on trips, I can pack everything I have in my Neverfull in this, and then I won't have to have the handles hurt so bad on my hands. So we'll see how it goes. I got the box open. Oh, it comes with a box. I didn't expect it. So it comes with another box. I didn't even ask her if it came with the box. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Phoenix. I asked her to watch this unboxing of her beautiful bag. I don't know if you can tell what it is already just by the size of the box. I don't know what year this bag was made in, but it's a Louis Vuitton. So let's take a look. Oh, how nice. Well, isn't this a nice touch? She actually put the straps all in a separate bag for me. And then here we go. Okay. Let's take a look. It's a monogram. And it is the Speedy Bandolier in the 30 size. I think this is going to work out great. Oh, she's beautiful. You take a look at her. I love this. Okay, this is a older version of the Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandoliers, and I love that it's flat here. The newer versions are puffier, but do you see how beautiful she patinaed this bag? I don't know how long she's used her. She says she used to use her for work, and so she just had to change to a different bag. But I love how the hardware gets this, the brass hardware gets this like tarnished look. I love how these age with time. I am a big lover of pre-loved designer handbags, I found out. And of course I love the new ones too. But what I had to do is, look at that. This is beautiful. This is the first time I've seen her along with you guys. Let's take a look at all the patina. It's really even. I don't know how she got all the patina so even. And thank you, Phoenix, for putting the strap separately. Oh, this is like in gorgeous shape. The zippers work really smooth. Sometimes the zippers are not as smooth, but these are really smooth. No odors. Actually, it smells really nice in here. And look how clean the inside is. I can't believe this. And then on these Speedies, the date code is always found here. So it's underneath, and of course because this is the previous older versions, these do not have a zipper, and the inside is this waxy coated lining. And the waxy coated lining is perfect. It's not even cracked or coming apart. Oh my gosh, I love her. This is a wonderful seller. Oh, I told her I'd take good care of her, and I will. So let's attach all the straps. So the straps she put in a separate bag, which is a really nice touch. And it comes with all 3 pieces. So the bandoliers all come with 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is, I don't know how she got her straps to patina so evenly. It's really, really nice. This must be the underside, so I'll show you how pretty brown the patina is on the other side. She says she just used it for work, so I'm excited. She took really good care of her. I'm so glad. Now this, we'll see what's in this. I think this is just the lock. We'll see what's in it. Oh, it is, it comes with, oh! I don't think she ever used the lock. Isn't this pretty? She kept the lock in the original tissue paper with the keys. Thank you, Phoenix. Okay. So what I always do is I always put the lock, I like to just put it right. Oh. On reviews of these, if you put the lock right here, you end up getting a tarnish on the patina. So maybe that's why she didn't. And I don't know what I'll do yet with the lock. Maybe I should just leave it like she's always had it. So then we'll put the strap here. And these straps swivel so you never have to worry about you putting on the clasp incorrectly. So grateful I found this. So my patient had the Speedy bandolier in the 35, but I just couldn't find one as nice as hers that felt like she wanted to come to me. And this one just wanted to come to me. We'll do a review, and then I'll put a bag organizer in there. I'm not sure how to use her on a trip. You've got a lot of choices. You've got 3 choices. These are all on the last notch. So this is the longest, and I am 5'6". I'll do some modeling shots next. But thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great night. Bye.